guys, thanks for tuning in. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look, then definitely stay tuned. Hey you guys, this is Cutie Pie 88 coming to you all again. So I just want to jump into this video, straight into it. This has been the best wig I have ever, y'all, like I am shook. Okay, so all the information about this wig will be down in the description box, so make sure you click that and read everything. So, all right, the specs on the wig. The wig is a 22-inch Yaki textured fake scalp 13x6 lace front wig. That is a long description, but like I said, it's Yaki texture. It is 22 inches. It is 13x6. It is lace front, and it is a fake scalp. So I know you all have heard a lot about these fake scalp wigs and wondering, you know, are they worth it? Is it real? Do you need a cap? You know, do you need to bleach the knots? Everything like that. So I want to go over all that with you guys, but I'm trying to make it quick. Don't want to make the video too long. But okay, so I did purchase this unit with my own money. It was not sent to me for review. This wig has, it comes from AliExpress. It is an AliExpress wig. It is Yaki texture, meaning that it's not silky straight. It has some texture to it, but it is considered a straight unit. I did put some curls in it myself. So it's a fake scalp. Fake scalp is just, you don't have to wear a stocking cap. It's like a stocking cap is already attached to the wig, so you don't have to wear a stocking cap. But that's basically what the fake scalp is. It has like a mesh, like a scalp, like a mesh stocking cap attached to the inside of the wig, so you don't have to wear a stocking cap. And it also makes it look more realistic. It makes it look like real scalp. And let me tell y'all, yes, it does look more like real scalp. So you don't have to bleach the knots where the fake scalp is. So there's only lace from about here to here. As you can see the fake scalp start right here. Now I do have a cap underneath this wig because I feel like it helps the wig slide on easier. It helps the combs not snag your own hair. So I do have a cap under this, but I pushed the cap all the way back. So I do have a cap, but this is where the fake scalp starts in the actual unit that's attached to the unit. So guys, I did not bleach these knots, as I said before. These knots are not bleached. Look how beautiful they look, even though they are not bleached. Now I do plan on bleaching them in the future just to make it even more natural, but look at the result. I mean, I'm definitely blown away with this unit. Like, I'm not a pro on applying wigs at all. I'm not professional at all, but it made it so much easier. Like, I didn't have to bleach the knots. I did a little bit of light plucking. That's all I did. When I flattened the hair with my comb, I just used a little beeswax and I used a little bit of heat protecting. That's it. Slapped it on my head, cut off the lace around the ears, cut off this lace, applied it with a little bit of the roll-on adhesive and a little bit of spritz, tied it down, took it off. I did a little bit of baby hair because I'm not quite comfortable without the baby hair yet, to cover a little bit of the lace, but it turned out amazing. Like, I'm so excited. Like, the scalp looks so realistic, and as you can see, it's a little bit of texture in the hair. This, I didn't really curl this one. I curled it kind of quick, but it is beautiful. Now the lace was a little bit light for my skin tone, so I did have to add a little bit of powder foundation on the inside of the wig. I don't suggest adding powder, like a lot of powder around this part, just a little bit, kind of dab it in to make it help blend in with your skin tone. But this wig has blown me away. Here is the length. It is 22 inches, so it's probably like down to my waist, and I'm a pretty tall girl. So this is a really, really nice length, and the density is 130. So it is gorgeous, y'all. Y'all should definitely check this out. This fake scalp and the 13x6 makes the part look really realistic. It goes all the way back. The fake scalp, it just looks like scalp no matter where you part it. And when you like slick it back, oh my gosh. Now I need to cut the hair right here. But it is, this wig is amazing. I've never experienced a wig like this. You guys definitely need to check it out. It was very reasonably priced. I believe it was under $150. Don't quote me that. I think it was under $150. But y'all. And because of the texture, it holds the curls very, very well. So I am definitely shook. Y'all definitely check this out. It will be in the description box, the name of the company, the links exactly to the wig. I just threw on some makeup real quick. I just had to get on camera and show you guys this wig. I feel like the curls will hold really well, like I said, because of the texture of the wig. It won't get super bone silky straight because of the texture, but it will be a straight unit. It reminds me of relaxed hair, like really thick, nice, relaxed hair. But y'all check out these fake scalp wigs. I don't know if it's from this company you'll get it or from another company, but I know this company, they killed this fake scalp wig. Like you cannot tell me this is not my real hair. And I made sure I did it in my ring light so it kind of mimics sunlight, because you know when you put them wigs on and you walk out in the sun, it's a whole different story. But just a moment of silence for this hair, like mind blown. Definitely check it out. I wanted to keep this talking part short and sweet. I think I went over everything. Definitely give this wig 2 thumbs up. Please let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments below, and definitely stay tuned for future videos. Sorry if I missed out on anything. I don't wanted it to make it short and sweet because I know it was a lot before. But if you have any questions, don't be scared to comment. Be sure to check out my future videos and make sure you subscribe, okay? Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.